What was the question?
Is the airbag gonna blow up in Jason's face?
I thought it was gonna blow up in your face. Now it's me. I've got to be the guinea pig.
Let me hiccup the negative.
I guess we'll see, huh?
What's up, jammers? Welcome back.
Come on. Where's Ryan? Where's the Ryan I know? Are you on your meds today?
I am not. I did take some meds, so I'm a little down. What's up, jammers?
Hey,
welcome back.
Hey, thanks for joining us. This week on Jammer Rebuilders, we're going to be tackling this interior.
Get a little bit excited, happy.
If you would just do those things and just not rub your chest regions.
Have you not seen how amazing this body is? If you had this body, you'd rub it too.
I would.
So the big question is, though, will the new airbags blow up in Jason's face?
Will these new airbags blow up in Ryan's face?
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
Catch.
All right, Ryan, let's get to it, bro.
Let's do this. So
let's go. Let's open some boxes
what we got
up
here. Always want to cut towards yourself, just in case.
No.
Don't want to damage the truck.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's exactly the opposite advice you're supposed to give when cutting.
Whoops. See what we got here, folks. Uh-oh.
Sweet action.
Side airbag.
Awesome.
Check her out.
There's really nothing to this, is there, Ryan? Look at that
just
thing.
These 3 pins. We got to release them, pull it out, put the new.
Man, that isn't going to take long at all.
Shouldn't.
Cool.
It is us.
What else we got?
All right. Well, seems like this box is already opened by someone before me.
Oh, who would do that? Who would do such a thing?
I would venture to
what's
guess.
that? What's that right there?
Oh, that's our button for this guy.
See, you didn't even know that I had that.
That is a bonus.
It was like a little surprise.
That is a double bonus.
Because that actually completes the entire thing.
That's our SRS module that Jason is hoping fixes all the lights on our dash.
Yeah, we have a few little arrow lights on the dash. We'll show you in a minute.
Some people are cautiously optimistic.
Yeah. What's this here?
This is our seatbelt.
Cool. So we had to send that off a couple weeks ago.
Yep.
Apparently there's a little gas charge in the bottom of it, and when your airbag goes off, then it locks up your seatbelt and you have to have it rebuilt. And that's what we had done, right, Ryan?
Guy inside there.
It is. Cool.
Yep. So that guy's done, so we can throw him back here.
Cool. What else you got? You got anything else? Man, this is like Christmas. Good thing you're dressed like an elf.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm choosing to ignore that statement.
Good thing you look like an elf opening all these gifts.
Yeah, again, remember, always cut towards yourself.
You know what you look like?
What do I look like?
You kind of look like the elf on the shelf.
Oh, I don't participate in that.
You don't?
Nope.
All right, what's in this one?
Let's see. Sweet. It looks like it's our passenger side.
Hey, just get your knife and cut that plastic, Ryan.
I don't know that I want to.
I'm kidding. Ryan, stop.
Might as well.
Ryan, I'm kidding.
I'll do it on the back side. It's fine. It's not my truck.
This is your truck.
Oh, crap.
But I don't even know what you're talking about.
I sliced myself open with both, so I don't know.
Cool, this is it right here.
Booshaka.
And it's even the correct color, right, Ryan?
That's. I mean, no one's gonna know if it isn't.
Hey, that's not how an elf laughs.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, jammers. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove the driver's side airbag. We got this handy jammer tool that you can buy on our website. Yes, we now have a website. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it in. There's 3 holes on the back of this seat, on this steering wheel. One here, one down here, and one on the other side. And we're just gonna push them in there and it's gonna release the airbag. You see that little bit?
Yeah, I saw it move.
And then we got one here. And then we got one here. Oh, I got it. Must have pushed it back in.
Looks like the passenger side one is the one to catch it.
Yeah. There we go.
All right, guys, so all we have left now is we just have these little 3 connectors, and it looks like he just
3.
Is we just pinch?
Yep.
We should pinch right here. And then pull?
Yep. There's 1. There's 2.
And then this one, not real sure. Maybe what you want.
Oh, right there. And then there, tab there. There we go.
There we go.
And that guy's out. And the reason why we're concerned about this new one blowing up is the battery's disconnected, so there's no power going to it. But sometimes there's this thing called a capacitor, and it holds a charge. It's like a mini battery for a certain amount of time. So we've waited the necessary time, hopefully, for that to let go. So we're gonna try to plug this back in and see what happens.
All right.
If it blows up, and I die. And it's whatever.
So, just a thought, Ryan.
Yeah.
After we put this all together and we plug the back.
Boom!
Scared the crap out of me.
All right,
I was thinking, well, we put it all together and put your hands on top of it, and you can just kind of grab hold just to keep the airbag in there. Just
grab hold. I see what you did there. There it is. New one's in.
That's awesome.
Easy enough. Well, so here's the goal. We'll just give you guys a mock-up. What do you think of my new shower hat?
That's what you talked about in episode 1, wasn't it?
Yep, episode 1, my shower cap.
It's perfect.
With my shirt. All right, let's get to the other side. Oh, you saw my hair.
What happened to your hair, Ryan? Ryan, what happened to your hair? Ryan, you had to know that was going to be part of this episode.
All right, welcome back, jammers. We're on to the driver's side seat belt here. So we got some bolts in our bag that we labeled. Key is to label your bag so you know where your parts go. We're gonna put it on here, plug it in, bolt it on, and then feed it through this guy. So let's get after it.
Mr. Ryan.
What's up, dude?
Man, we're on the last little chunk right here, right?
Yeah, we are, brother. Just gotta finish this guy here. Wish I had the extension. Get him in and forward, then cover on, and we're done with the driver's side.
That doesn't go through a slot or anything, does it? Okay.
There we go. Boom, baby. We have a seatbelt. All right. Last piece and the driver's side is done.
Do you feel safe, Ryan?
I feel safety restored.
I love it.
It's all back back together onto the SRS module. Let's do this.
All right, Ryan.
All right, guys, all we got left, besides putting the console back together, is this guy right here. So the way it comes out is you pull the glove box down, and there's gonna be 3 bolts, and then this piece pops out. So let's get after it. Should be able to pull this guy right out now that we've removed the 3 bolts. So let's see what happens.
Hey, that's a good theory, Ryan.
That was a lot easier than I anticipated.
Here, let me take this piece off. Hold on. There's a little clip right here, same kind as the other one.
Yeah, I have a clip on the other side too, just like that one. So I'll remove that one, and there we are. Old bag's out. And so you guys can see, these 3 bolts here are what we're bolting through here, that I was reaching up through here to get.
Okay, now Ryan, onto the console right here.
Yep. We got 6 bolts total, 4 up front, 2 on the back. The seats are in the way, so we'll have to pull the seats forward at a later time. But let's get these all back together so we can slap all this together.
All right, cool. Let me show you guys exactly where these are. So there's 2 right here.
1, 2.
And then there's 1 on the side.
Should be right here, right?
Yep.
And then same exact thing on the other side.
Yep. And then there's 2 more on the back. Hey.
Yep.
It's Ryan, the beautificator.
Yeah. We all know that's not the truth.
All right, guys. The moment of truth. What was the question?
Is the airbag gonna blow up in Jason's face?
I thought it was gonna blow up in your face. Now it's me. I've got to be the guinea pig.
Let me hiccup the negative.
I guess we'll see, huh?
Yep.
It's a good sign. We got power. Dash is lighting up.
Start it, Jason.
This one right here, this is the one we were concerned about.
That light's not gonna go away until we get it read by a computer that can delete codes. Airbag codes. The good news is the advanced track light, all the crazy stuff is gone. Hey guys, welcome back. We got a lot done this week. Got the inside wrapped up, airbags done, seatbelt done, console back together.
Done. It looks incredible.
Done. Boom.
Man, we never finished anything, and that was a huge accomplishment. All in one episode.
Yes.
It was really cool. I was a little bit concerned about the whole airbag thing.
I wasn't concerned at all.
I know you weren't.
Because I wasn't sitting in the driver's seat, so I wasn't at all concerned.
But hey, we have lots more of the videos just like this one. We would love for you to watch some more of them. So if you go up here in the corner, we have a playlist of all the videos we've done on this truck. So go check it out, watch another video.
And if you missed last week's, you can click down here on the bottom, and it should have last week's episode. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you, Jammer Nation.
Do it again.
And we'll see you, Jammer Nation.
Do it again.
And we'll see you, Jammer Nation. I'm like your little parrot.